Let's get body language mastery in 2 minutes. In human communication, only 7% is through words and language, while 38% is the tone used in speaking, and the rest of the 55% is through body language. If communication is important in life, this means that body language plays an important role to create an impact or impression on other people. That is the reason that whole industry to teach body language has cropped up to teach and train and make you an expert in body language. Huge information on body language can be found all over the internet and in bookstores and in the libraries of professionals. Is body language that difficult or complex? It is not. Body language is natural to humans, and in communication, it is intuitive. If you are engaged in communication, then body language will be natural and effective. Those who try to fake their body language to have more impact and influence on other people, they look fake. If an acting expert somehow fakes body language for some time, she cannot sustain it. In the end, the truth will be out. The lesson is, do not fake your body language. Instead, take genuine interest in communication, and an effective body language would be automatic. It is effortless. Few common sense ideas we need to keep in mind. They should not be faked. Instead, it should be your habit or way of speaking. For example, eye contact is important. A smile makes you more appealing. Look and smell well. The habit of shaking your body or limbs wastes your energy and distract others' attention. To develop these habits would require some conscious efforts for some time, and then it would become your way of speaking. To summarize, to communicate effectively, be natural, be genuinely interested and attentive in another person's words and expressions. Be a listener, not a person who just hears. Engage yourself in the content. Free your body language and let it move naturally. Develop good habits and free yourself from bad habits like shaking limbs, biting nails, not making eye contact, tapping or cracking fingers, or any other weird action. You can observe your body language while regularly interacting with yourself in mirror for an hour every 10 days. You will know what you have to improve. This will be a good speaking practice too. Develop these good habits and boom, you have become a good communicator through an effective and natural body language.